Lean. I often lean against the railing to rest. I am leaning out of the window to see better. The old fence has leant to one side for years. The tower has been leaning a little more each decade. I leant the ladder against the wall. I was leaning on the gate when it suddenly gave way. I had leant my bike against the tree before the storm. The shed had been leaning dangerously for months before it fell. I will lean the mirror against the wardrobe for now. I will be leaning over the balcony to watch the parade. By evening, the sunflowers will have leant towards the light. By next year, the wall will have been leaning outward for a decade.